Here's a certified 2015 Mercedes-Benz GLK. This GLK is up for anything, yet remains down to earth. It makes everyday life easy. It's well equipped with the features you need: V6 engine, automatic suspension management, auxiliary audio input, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, auto tilt-away steering column, AM/FM satellite prep radio, 4 12-volt power outlets, power tilting steering column, and power heated mirrors. Motor Trend reports the engineering and craftsmanship behind this vehicle make it deserve a closer look. Mercedes-Benz, high style, high performance. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. Should be you. Test drive it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,